have taken one.
You are really awesome for all of us as a coach.
From the MBA point of view, I think this looks to be a 2-semester paper. I think you covered in 2 days. That's what I could able to.
Sessions were very impactful.
This was an eye-opener for you.
Case studies which you have given were really informative. It was really thought-provoking.
I enjoyed both the days a lot.
We had a good deep insights on the financials. Thanks for that.
Really enjoyed the 2 days workshop.
The 2 days of energy of yours is very good.
We all enjoyed the session for the last 2 days. Your knowledge share was really good.
I really enjoyed it.
Past 2 days it is more informative and interactive section.
The great thing is that the cash mindset and the profit mindset really awesome. And I'm sure all of us have got benefited from these 2 days. So thank you for having a wonderful session with all of us.
Thank you.
Hi Sangeeta, thank you very much for this impactful and interactive session. Initially, before coming to the session, I was thinking week in Lucknow finance. So you made it very interesting and understanding. You broke it down into a language that a common man can understand.
Thank you so much for this very good session. It is very simplified method of finance understanding. Even anyone can understand with your workbook.
2 days session was very informative. A lot of financial concepts. The key takeaways for me from this session is to really go back and look at the business in terms of where the cash is actually leaking, and then come out with real insights to fix the leak.
I think the financial statements, how we need to read the financial statement to take any decisions. So this is mainly required for leaders to take some quick decisions to make any changes accordingly. And also mainly the cash management. That is one of the good topics. I think full day you covered with the cash management. How important is cash apart from profit. So this is also an eye opener for me actually.
Thank you Sangeeta for last 2 days you are here to support, to teach these financial topics. So we understand, we really enjoyed a lot. And then we understand the each times of financial. So before coming to this class, we don't know how we can, which is applied to our organization as well as a business. And now we can really realize how to correlate, and in terms of VA percentage, break-even point, is all we can understand a lot. So thank you.
Nice session. Correlate with our KPI with the financial mindset.
So for the today's session, and it is more of a very simplified explanation of financial terms that is very understandable. Whatever you given the workbook, it is also notes, it is also workbook. So it is good.
We understood the finance impact, how it will be impacting our personal life and life.
So first of all, thank you for this very wonderful session. New innovative things about finance, as well as this will also correlate to our daily basis work, as well as our personal work-life balance.
And also enjoyed the case studies.
First of all, thank you Sangeeta. So the main thanks is like last 2 days your training, the training style is that is ensured the people not slept in the training session. So like the session is not just lecture type, this is kind of interactive sessions. So in the last 2 days we learned many things about different financial aspects. Now it's the right time to apply into the both as well as personal as well as organizational level.
Last week while seeing this mail invite, so first I thought why training is required for us, because we are part of quality, and why financial training is required for us. And after attending these 2 days, now it is too much of really informative and well structured.
In such a short gamut, I think you have covered finance almost every aspect of it, which was really good. All the case studies were interesting. You made it interactive. That was really good. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And it is helpful for us to, for any internal decision of finance decision. It is really helpful, and we can see what all the things we should do or what we can avoid. So it is really helpful.
So these 2 day sessions are very informative.
Thank you very much for the wonderful session. All these days, all these financial terms were jargon to me. I was unable to understand what is what. But now I'm in a position to understand.
So who has attended this session is going to see the numbers in a different perspective with added flavor.
Thanks for the insight that given on the financials.
Thanks, Dr. Sangeeta. Yesterday in the beginning when you asked what is finance, I said it's out of marriage. Now I can say it's within marriage.
Awesome.
It's really a 2 day interesting, very interactive session, and you connected finance topic to our operational cash leakage, cash tightening, everything today, and it was really a fun-filled exercise. It's
really good. And personally also with these learnings, I'm sure I'll be able to come out of my cash burning situation.
Thank you, Sangeeta. Your energy is very high from yesterday onwards. Okay, from morning till now. It's very great pleasure to have a session with you.
Whatever the use cases which you have provided, suggested, so that use cases really help us to what to do and what not to do.
It's a dry subject, but you made us understand that it is not dry. It's easy, and I really enjoyed it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.